Hi guys, welcome to tutorial space with myself Ola. In this tutorial, we will be dealing with the intersection curve tool, which can be found to be located up here. In the previous tutorial dealing with the convert entities, we dealt with how the two projects reference entities and then convert them into sketches on our active plane. But with these two, despite their similarities, this doesn't project before converting into sketches. So I've created extra planes and I'll select this plane to be my active plane. I'll make this to be in the isometric view, and then I click on my intersection curve. So what the intersection curve does, just as the two name depicts, intersection curve, we are interested in sketching out the path geometry where a plane cuts through a selected solid object. Please, I wanted to take note of the last things I said, a selected solid object. So this tool only works in the place of a plane cutting through a selected solid object. So I've selected plane 1 as my active sketch, and as it is obvious, it is not cutting through any object, it's just isolated on its own. So if I pick any object to say to be added for my intersection curve, you notice that nothing happens, right? Yes. So I'll exit this and make this plane my active plane. Go back to my isometric view because it's alright, and then I click on intersection curve. Now I select the faces to intersect, and I click on this and I click on check. What do you see? You notice that lines have been created. Now this simply means that these lines depict the geometry of the cuts, or let me say the intersection between the plane and the faces I selected before. Now if you look at this, that's actually where that plane cuts through this solid object. So still with the intersection curve, what about I selected this face here? Selected this face here and I say check. Now I notice that it has included the part where this plane cuts through those faces. It is creating these sketches at the exact part of intersection between the plane and the solid object. Okay, so as I said before that you need it to be a plane cutting through a solid object. If I select on this, you notice that it doesn't respond. That's because this is not a solid but just a sketch. Okay, I hope you have understood this too. And this is where we end with the tool. Please remember to drop your comments in the comment section and subscribe. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we will deal with the offset tool.